This tutorial teaches only a small portion of this dance. This is not a tutorial for the full dance.
Bend your knees slightly as you bring both fists near your shoulders, then punch straight up with both fists as you hop slightly to the right on your right foot and bring your left foot up behind you. Drop both arms and bend your knees slightly as your left foot comes down a bit to the left. Extend your left arm down and to the left, palm facing down, then turn your right knee out to the right twice, moving your right fist in the same direction. Look to the right as you step in with your left foot, extend both index fingers, and curve both hands over to the left, then right. Cross your right foot over your left foot and look to the left as you curve both hands to the left again. Keeping your feet planted, turn to the left until you are facing to the right and look at the camera as you bend your elbows to bring your left arm across your chest and your right arm up so that your right elbow rests on your left hand. Bend your right wrist so that your palm faces up as you step back a bit with your left foot. Roll your body and then bend your knees. Bring one hand over the other in front of your chest, elbows pointing out to either side, and look down and to the right as you tilt your arms in the same direction, straightening your right leg and bending your left knee in. Keeping your hands together, bring your right elbow up and your left elbow down as you switch the positions of your knees. Switch the positions of your knees again as you look at the camera and move your left elbow up and your right elbow down. Punch up with both fists, then drop your arms as you move to a new position.